Hello again. So today we have here Opel Meriva. It's 1.6 liters diesel from 2007. So we're going to connect this OBD scanner. After a while of searching, I actually found it. The OBD port is here. And we're going to connect it now with our scanner. And we'll see what it has to say. This side. So it's Opel Meriva 2007. As you can see, it actually can show you where it's been located. So now I have learned something also. Let's try to connect. So now let's just scan the vehicle to see what we can see about this problem here. Engine coolant temperature sensor. To locate it, just look on the right side here. Right here. This is the one. Just unplug this. Quickly swap it. Not too tight. You put the connector back on. And now we just need to test it out. So now we're just going to wait until the temperature will go to its normal stage. Temperature sensor is working.